Guys, check out these new boxes they have at Hobby Lobby. They're iridescent, see-through, and they have like this beautiful pink zipper detail around it. And it's like a hard shell. And I also picked up these new cold transfer stickers that are for tumblers. But I wanted to take these and decorate this with this. I love that it's see-through. I'm going to use it to put some of my crafty tools in, like my scissors. You know, things that like I could never find. I'm always like misplacing. My tweezers, my gem picker. What just happened? Look at this. What just happened? Let me try my best to get that on there. Let me just rub it back on and hopefully I'll get back on there. Let's peel it from the top. Yeah. So I'm just going to decorate this with a bunch of bows. And some of the elements that are on here, but mainly the bows. There we go. Quick little fix. How adorable are these, you guys? Quick little craft that you can do to personalize a gift or just to decorate something that you got for yourself or something you have laying around that you want to, you know, revamp it or something. I'm having the hardest time taking these off. But yeah, this case was $3.99 and these transfers are $2.79. Check out my YouTube channel because I will be uploading a video sharing all the new ones that are at Hobby Lobby. But I found some really pretty ones also on Amazon. So I'm going to have to go back and get some more of these containers. They're really pretty, guys. And then there's some like little sparkles. So I'll continue to put these on and I'll come back with the finished product. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I want to show you the finished result of my little case that I got from Hobby Lobby. Guys, this is what it's called, zipper case. I looked online, they do have a mint or turquoise colored one, but they do not have any pink ones. I ran to my Hobby Lobby to see if they had any more because I am obsessed with these. Look at how pretty it came out. It's probably hard to tell with the iridescent. They were completely sold out. Like, I can't believe that they were gone. But this is a beautiful hard case case that I had hauled in my last video. And it holds tons of things, you guys. There's actually another size there that's huge. They also have a white one in store. So I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys how it came out. With all the little stickers, little bow stickers. I want to put some tassels or some dangles on here as well. And then, so my husband took me over there to see if I can find some more. They didn't have any. So I took it as an opportunity to grab some other things. So I did grab this little water bottle, the milk container water bottle. And I want to put more stickers on this. I'm going to make this a bow theme one. I went ahead and grabbed 2 more of these. I'm obsessed with this bow. I don't care for this one as much, but this one only comes with 2 of them. So I grabbed the last 2 that they had. I can't even be mad that there's no more cases, guys, because I did the same thing. I was going to do the same thing. I was coming to the store to grab all the ones they had left. My friend Beth, she just did a haul and she shared this, and I have never seen this. It is a $3.99, only 3 yards for $4. Every time I go to Hobby Lobby, this stuff is never on sale. Never. I'm always paying regular price because I know I'm not going to come back right away. So I went ahead and grabbed this regularly for $3.99, but wait until it goes on sale, guys. And then I stocked up on these acrylic blanks. They were like non-existent at my Hobby Lobby the last time that I had grabbed them. And they used to sell the little, like, here goes one, the vinyl for you to make these. So I remember they were sold out. I saw that they had restocked on these, so I went ahead and grabbed 2. You can grab those stickers as well, the ones for the cups, and you can put them on here. So I grabbed 2 of those. I grabbed this holographic, oh, I cannot think of what it's called. Eyelash trim. And it feels like it's a smaller one. It's a scrubby one. Like you usually can make like scrub things with this, I think. So I grabbed that. And then the beads, I grabbed 1 more each. They only had 1 of these. I showed this in my previous walkthrough. And they were on my mind. So I'm like, let me grab them. It was the last one. I got that half off for $2.50. And then I showed you guys these fuzzy ones. I grabbed 1 more pack. They were $2. $2.25 after the discount. And then these were $2. All right. So that's it, guys. Go check out your Hobby Lobby. Go see if you can find that case. I'm going to be on the lookout probably in a week or 2. Probably in 2 weeks from now. I'll probably go check again. Because I don't see them restocking it that soon. But that's it for this video. I cannot wait to decorate this. Let me share with you guys really quickly the... because I did mention the ones that I had from Amazon. So these are my leftover. Oh my God, this one was at Hobby Lobby. I could only find 1. I'm obsessed with this one as well. And so I had bought like, I don't remember how many it was, you guys. I'm going to find it and link it down below. But it comes with all these different ones. Ooh, we should put this one on, right, with the cherries. I don't know. This little container was just too cute. I don't even know if I will drink from it. But, you know, that's what it's made for. So I should do that. So you get all these different designs from Amazon, you guys. And I definitely want to put one of them on there. Maybe this one. Let's do it. So you do have to cut these up. Well, really, you could just lay it on there. No, I will cut it. Because this is, again, intended for you to put around their cups, their tumblers that are a certain size. They're glass tumblers. So these are size for that. I'm going to go ahead and pause. Let me do a couple of them, and then I'll pause the video, come back and show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to cut off everything individually. So even the heart. Okay. Let me start with... So if you're using the Hobby Lobby ones, you're probably going to need about a couple packs of these. No. If this happens to you, just heat your sticker up with a heat gun, your tool gun, and it will come right off. Really. So I'll just peel that off later. Or now. But yeah, if you want a clean, nice clean removal, use your heat tool. All right, let's do the back. So you would just take your stickers, just like we did on the other. Who wouldn't want a bow, milk carton, water bottle? Come on. You can actually put these in your fridge. I see a lot of people use these and they fill it with actual milk or juice. I'm gonna have that one going, I don't know, like that maybe. It would probably be cuter if I did, I should have that strawberry one. See now, this is so fun, guys. This is why I want to go get another one of those cases, because it was just too much fun to put together. And I'm feeling the same way about this. Like, I'm gonna want to get more. I'm gonna have that one going over the edge. And then the little hearts. Right now I'm just peeling the sticker off, releasing the back paper. And then you can put your hearts wherever. All right, so I'll pause this and come back and show you the end result. All right, guys, so this is the finished product. Look at how pretty it came out. I should have did the strawberry and bold theme one. That would have been perfect for like strawberry milk. But I love the way this came out, guys. Run to Hobby Lobby and check out the little section where they have like, you know, the canvas bags, the keychains, and all these transfer stickers. That's where you'll find these items. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.